Have you ever taken care of a baby with colic? A baby who's so uncomfortable, nothing seems to soothe them.
Well, it is something a lot of parents and grandparents know all too well. So this morning, I'm taking a look at a holistic approach to medicine that many adults swear by, but they might not think about for their kids. At 4 weeks old, Caleb Cole has seen a chiropractor more times than some adults.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Caleb.
His mom, Abby, had him adjusted for the first time when he was less than 2 weeks old.
I had very regular adjustments all through my pregnancy. It made a huge difference. He nursed well, he latched well. I had some pain, so I thought maybe there was something going on in his mouth or the way he was turning his head.
Today we're just going to do Caleb as a newborn exam.
Caleb saw Dr. Elena Roswell-Kulikowski in Kenmore, who noticed his neck wasn't rotating properly.
It has made a difference since. Nursing is like no big deal now.
Nursing is one of the many issues pediatric chiropractors say they tackle with new moms and newborns. Babies who have trouble keeping food down or kids with colic who cry all the time, also common patients.
There are lots of moms out there that their babies aren't really bonding that well because they're unhappy. They're screaming and crying a lot. Mom's exhausted, dad's exhausted.
Dr. Elena says that's where adjustments come in, and don't think of them the same way adults are adjusted.
So it's pretty light. It's not a big, huge crack.
Babies' bones aren't as hard as adults, and chiropractors say they have a lot of cartilage. Light pressure while the baby lays in mom's lap is all they need.
And then we're just going to make sure that he's got that full motion to that left and that it's nice and smooth. So he's still giving me a little resistance, so I'm going to adjust him just a little bit more. There we go. And we have great motion.
There it is.
These spinal nerves.
For many families, these adjustments don't stop when kids grow or grow out of any problems they have.
How's your neck doing after the
Awesome. I'm pretty sure it's healed.
10-year-old Sage and her 8-year-old brother Alex see their chiropractor, Dr. Steve Nemec, about once a month in Amherst. It's a big change from what his practice saw years back.
Today, more and more folks are bringing their kids in for wellness care.
I've just seen a tremendous, benefit for my kids. They're just calmer. There's just this, peace about them afterwards that their body's just back in balance and readjusted.
There are also new tools that are especially helpful for kids and can do adjustments easily and quickly.
And we're just going to do a couple on this side here.
The idea of these wellness visits promote whole body health because kids are up against a lot.
Kids are more stressed in today's society. They're getting a lot less sleep. Bedtime's a lot later for children.
Abby says chiropractic care has worked for her family, and they'll keep going as their kids grow up.
My daughter's never been for a sick visit in her 3 years of life to the doctor, only just regular checkups. We bring her here first. I just don't think people know that it's an option, but that's made a huge difference in the health of our family, and I definitely think that every kid needs to go to the chiropractor.
So bringing infants and children to chiropractors has become so popular that some local chiropractors are focusing their practices on kids. And parents say, just like any healthcare provider, do your research. So right now on WKBW, you can hear more about why chiropractors say pregnant moms and newborns should be adjusted. You can also see more of Caleb's exam. That's going to be posted up shortly.
That's so interesting that she's never been to the doctor for a sick child visit in 3 years, and instead goes to the chiropractor first. I think holistic medicine is a really great alternative.
They also talked a lot about how it can help sinuses, it can help drainage, so if you have a kid who's stuffy, that could be very helpful too, so that's why she tries them first for colds and things.
So we've got some more information for you right now on our WKBW app and WKBW.com.